Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can generate images with ChatGPT. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any type of preferred browser and search for ChatGPT. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, make sure that you have the paid plan of ChatGPT, as it is not possible to generate images on the basic or free plan. But if you want to generate images for free, open a new tab in the current browser and search for Microsoft Bing. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, enter the prompt of the image you would like to generate and press the Enter key. Now wait for it to load. And you can see that we have successfully generated high-quality images for free. So that's basically how you can generate images with ChatGPT. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.